Printer maintenance, how to access your printer maintenance inside your printer. Here we have an HP Envy Photo 7855. First thing to do, obviously, turn it on. Go to your settings. Mine is located at the top left here. Touch screen. All right, it's gonna bring down an info. You're gonna touch that gear button again. You're gonna then scroll down to printer maintenance right there. Press the wrong one, big finger, sorry. Printer maintenance, and now you can access all of the maintenance things here. We have clean cartridges, align cartridges, clean smear, and update the printer or restore to factory settings. So cleaning the cartridges, aligning the cartridges, and cleaning smears, what that's going to do is give you an alignment page just like this to make sure that you have new fresh ink inside of your printer. If you do not have a printer ink indicator, this one does. I'll show you that in a second to end the video. But if you find that the print quality is bad, or if you have smudges and smears in areas where they should not be, you would then press clean cartridges and then do clean smear, and then finally align cartridges to give you full printing access like this, to where all of the ink looks clear and everything is aligned properly. Now, finishing the video off here with checking your ink level. If you do not have an indicator, what you need to do is print out an alignment page just like this. And if you find that your ink is not dark in certain areas, like this here, this is an area in an alignment page that is faint on purpose. But if you feel like the dark areas here are faint and look like this, that's a good indication that you need new ink. If your printer sits, let's say for over 4 months and you don't use it, the ink in your cartridges can and will dry up, and then you wonder why, well, what's going on. You didn't use your printer for a while, the ink dried up inside the cartridge, and it no longer is printing correctly. And you'll find that when you go to print something out, it'll be either smudged, very faint, it'll print maybe 2 or 3 words here and there, and then it'll start smearing and getting faint and not printing the entire page like it's supposed to be printed. But getting to the indicator here on this HP Envy. Going to back all the way out, go into our settings here up at the top status bar. We're going to press that little raindrop button there. That is our ink. And this is going to show you the level that you're at. As you can see, I have no color ink inside there, but I just installed a brand new black 64 ink cartridge there. Shows it at 100% all the way up. And I showed you guys a video in the next video on how to install a new cartridge into your printer.